So what I'm saying is so we're going to take that small business owner who may be struggling, who's lacking cash flow, who's lacking operating capital, and we're going to say, hey, let's set up an SPV. We can eventually get to the warehouse, but let's go and buy some single family homes, some multi-families, because at least we can go and actually create the SPV, go and get lines of credit from the bank. And then what the bank is going to do, they're going to cover 80%. We're going to use the credit that we helped your SPV establish to cover your soft costs or the 20% down payment. So now it costs you nothing to get into that property. The tenant is going to service the debt, which then in turn you can utilize that cash flow to pour back into your failing business or your struggling business or the business you're trying to get off the ground. And then in the event, if you are in a situation where the sky is falling or whatever the case may be, you can go back and borrow against those assets or that portfolio, going back to your scenario about borrowing against the warehouse, and you can do that tax-free. And so this gives them an opportunity to mitigate their risk because, again, that small business owner, they may not be able to operate out of that warehouse.